Everyone, so today I am going to discuss about how to create lookups. Okay, how to create lookups in your particular table and how to create lookups from the other table in your table. Okay, so means how to create a relationship between the tables. So today I am discussing these things. Okay, so for this first you have to go to your database. So in previous class I have discussed about how to create a simple database and how to create a simple table. Okay, so first I have to go to my existing database that is school, which I have already created in my last class. So I have to go to school database. Okay, so in school database I have created student table. Okay, so I have to go to the student table. So open the student table. First you have to double click on the student table name, which is showing in the left hand side. Okay, this is the fields. These are the fields which I have already created. Okay, so ID, first name, last name, age, address, city, email, GOB. These are my fields. Okay, so I have already shown you how to create a lookup. See here, I have already created lookups in a particular table. Here two option is there, yes or no. Okay, so today I am again showing another lookup and another showing, and again I am showing how to get a lookup from the other table also. Okay, so for this first I am creating one new table. Okay, so my new table is this one. Okay, so I am giving one new name for my new table, that is course. Okay, the table is course. So for that I have to go to the design view. In design view ID is there, which the data type is auto name. So I am giving another field name, which one is course number. Okay, so see, course number is as I am giving as number as data type. Next one is course details. Okay, so in course details I am taking one lookup field. Okay, lookup wizard. So first, for create a lookup, first go to the lookup wizard, and then two option is there. One is I want to look up column to look up the values in a table, and second one is I will type the values that I want. So I am going to the second one. Then next, then I have to create the values. So say my course detail is science, arts, commerce. Okay, then go to the next. Then I want the lookup for this particular field, and then finish. Okay, this is I have created for the particular table. Okay, so I go to the this one. See, in datasheet view, so this is my course. Say I am giving the course as 2. See here I have already created a lookup, science, arts, commerce. I am giving arts. Here I am giving say course number, I am giving science. So this I have created for course. Now I want to create a relationship between the two tables. Means I want the lookup for this particular table, student table. Okay, for the column name of the other table. Means I want a lookup for course here. Okay, so first, for create a relationship between the two tables, first we have to go to the view, then design view. In design view I want a field name, another field name, which is course. So in a student name, in a student table, see here in a student table I want a new field as a course details. Okay, so for course details I want to go to the design view. Here I am creating one new field as course details, and here I am creating the course details, and the value will be created from the other table, that is course, which I have already created now only. So go to the lookup wizard. Okay, now first one I am going to the first one because I want the value from the other table which I have already created. I want the lookup column to look up the values in a table or a query. So I have to go to the next, because I want also the relationship between the two table, student and course table. Two table is there, student table and course table. I want the relationship between the two table. So I want the course details from the course table into my previous table, that is student. So that is, see here, I have go to the next. Then three fields are there: id, course number, c details. So I want for c details. Then next, here I want c details. Next, see here, these are the options. Next, I want this particular column only, so finish. So the table must be saved before relationship has been created, so save yes. So I have created the relationship. So see here, new table has created as course details. Okay, so I'm going to the first one. See here, arts science, two options are there, and arts and science is there because I have given two values only, arts and science, that's why two values are there. If I give here 5, say 6, and here commerce, it will show the 3 result. That is, it will take some time. Okay, so after some time, when you refresh the window, you will see 3 values will be created, that is art, science and commerce. In previous I have created only 2 values, that's why it is giving only 2 values. Okay, so like this you just create the relationship between the two tables. Okay, so thank you everyone.